As you can see, I'm back in the UK. Outside, cleaning the bike after the tour. Opinions of it. Well, there's many. That was minging a minute ago. Quick blast with the watch out wash. And she's cool again. Okay. Right. As you know, I was the biggest skeptic of all. Okay. A lot of money on a bike. Got some faults on it. Just like everything when it's new. You know, it's they want to get it out to market. They didn't quite test it properly. Yep, probably that. I'm surmising. Well, I've just ridden this now for 9 days. I've ridden it from the top of France all the way down to Spain through some serious motorway riding, and it may not look serious on the video, but some of the riding was serious off-road riding by me. And this bike surprised me. It is so nimble off-road. It is a shocker. It just fills you full of confidence. The guys on 1250s, goodbye. They were struggling, dragging the back wheel, feet down. This thing, beastie, gone. You know, braking with the back brake to avoid it sliding, bit of dab on the front, easy to keep up. When I did stop, it was already down. You know, it's confidence inspiring. So the overall thought of the bike is, yeah, it's got some problems, but you ride anything on the market now and then come back to me and tell me you don't like this, I'll be very, very shocked. You've just got to give this bike a chance. You've got to stop reading all the media, the idiots that ride it around Maidenhead and Stoner Valley, and then, sorry, not idiots, that's unfair. People that ride it around Stoner Valley and then complain they don't like the switch gear. Yeah, it's clunky, but it's only software. They can fix it with software. So give it a go. Don't slag it off. Don't listen to the slaggers. I was one of them until I rode it for a long, long time. You know, I was in the saddle for 5 hours. One day, 5 hours, then 2 more hours on top of that, finding my passport. You know, I was knackered. The bike felt like, to me, it was falling apart underneath, but it was actually my body falling apart and my brain falling apart. It just went on and on and on. And it's easy to ride. It's confidence inspiring. I mean, I know a girl who just passed a test last year, and I said to her, get on the 1250, you'll love it. She got off it and said it's like a scooter. I mean, okay, it's like a scooter, but it's not. It does everything. It is just like the 1250, but better. And I really do mean that now, and I didn't mean it before. Everyone used to say I was slating the damn thing. Blokes moaning about bikes. Well, I've now had a long time in the seat. That is a good bike, 100%. In 5 years' time, that will be still up there when all the rest are trailing behind. I promise you. Take it from me, go and ride it, and then don't just go around the block on it. Borrow it for half a day and become one with it, and then you'll enjoy it, and you'll see what I mean. It's easy to live with. Your wife might like it on the back, your wife may not like it on the back, but it's easy to live with. It's useful. It's like the Swiss Army knife of bikes. lifeisaride.co.uk. Have a look at the website. Chiggy, that's the only damn problem with the bike. Navigation system's crap. So you want one of these. You want a Chiggy, and you really do, because that's another thing that surprised me on tour. Yeah, this thing rocks. Never faltered. 5 different navigation systems in one. It just worked. Problem is, it steals my phone and stops me recording. Thanks for watching, guys. That's my opinion, and that's Richard's opinion now, apart from moaning about the menus and the quick shifter, which isn't that good. But was it ever? No, it wasn't, was it?